And I'm a boike herbalist, and what I have here is a mason jar, and I already started picking some mullein, but I wanted to show you what mullein looks like. If you are in nature, come here and show the plant. This is what mullein looks like. If you notice, it's very soft and fuzzy, and right now this is the first stages, so the leaves have a lot of strong medicine, and mullein is really good for the lungs and asthma and COVID. And so first we give thanks, and I noticed that there is a lot of other mullein growing. You see, all of these are mullein, so I make sure that I grab some of the leaves, not all of it. So I'm just gonna grab, see, from the bottom, and I'm just gonna pick some. I'm not gonna pick all, because you know there's an abundance, and I also want to be making sure that this plant thrives and continues to grow, because it develops a nice stalk where you could use the flowers for mullein oil. You could also take and harvest the whole thing when it's completed and make mullein infusions. So when you're looking at the leaf, sometimes there's like little creepy crawlers. You want to make sure there's no you know, spider webs, so inspect it. And what I like to do is cut it right then and there, so that the life force that this plant has, the juices and all the vitality, is within my tincture making. So if you have scissors, you cut it with scissors, but I like to do things, I like to get my fingers involved, and I also like to give it thanks. So I normally, when I'm harvesting, one way I give thanks is sing a song, and sing a song from my heart. So, you know, thank you mullein, for your medicine, for your love. Thank you mullein, for your medicine, for your love, for your love. You give me really good lungs and breathing. So soft. So I use 100 proof vodka, and I make sure I'm stuffing it. So this is the 100 proof vodka. It's 50%, and I make sure it's all the way to the top. I don't have my wax paper here, but when I get home I will, and I make sure it's filled all the way to the top. Ooh, let's give you some vodka. There you go. And so I'm gonna label this. Label it, and in 6 weeks this should be ready to go.